almost 300.
600.
Yes, almost 600 units.
All over Goa.
All over Goa are closed industries or industries which are not functioning. We have seen to it that all industries have been issued notices. Some pending, which are pending. We will issue them all notices. And this COVID settlements, COVID
Amnesty scheme. Yeah.
amnesty scheme, COVID amnesty scheme will give them benefit. Jail has been there has been a lot of issues as far as jail is concerned. Like there have been the whole industry, everybody is complaining that their services are bad. So we have taken a decision. They have in fact stopped all the services for us. So we have decided to go on online. We have offline. Take all applications offline and start work. Which we don't want to trouble the industry. So we have taken a decision for the time being. And whatever their work or scope of work, whatever they have done is to go as per put some consultant of the industries department and check what they have done, what they have done, and settle whatever issues as far as that is concerned.